So let's explain the function of educational management one by one. The first function of educational management is planning. So the second function of educational management is organizing. The third function of educational management is staffing. The fourth function of educational management is directing. The fifth function of educational management is coordinating. The sixth function of educational management is monitoring and evaluation. The seventh function of educational management is financial management. The eighth function of educational management is stakeholders engagement.